Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot to QuickBooks Online, full guide step by step clearly. To connect HubSpot to QuickBooks Online, start by logging into your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, navigate to the Marketplace icon located in the main navigation bar. Once in the Marketplace, click on the App Marketplace option. In the search bar, type QuickBooks. From the search results, select the QuickBooks Online integration. Click on the Install App button to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Enter your QuickBooks credentials and authorize HubSpot to access your QuickBooks data. Review the permissions that HubSpot will have and click Authorize. After authorization, you will be redirected back to HubSpot. Now, configure the settings for the integration. Decide which data you want to sync between HubSpot and QuickBooks. This may include contacts, deals, invoices, and products. Set your preferences for how often you want the data to sync. Once you've made your selections, click on the Finish or Save button. You should see a confirmation message that the integration was successful. Now, you can start managing your sales and financial data in both platforms. To verify the connection, navigate to your QuickBooks dashboard. Check for new entries that were created from HubSpot. Monitor the data sync for any errors or discrepancies. If everything looks good, you're all set to utilize the integration fully. You can now leverage the power of HubSpot and QuickBooks Online to streamline your business operations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.